What's up, Cruise Crew? This is your boy J Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE. The difference with me, when I do what I'm doing it, I do like if I'm doing it for TV, y'all. Want to invite y'all and thank you guys for watching this channel. Thank you guys truthfully for the support that y'all have given this channel. Can't even tell you how blessed we are to have you guys as our subscribers, man. It's been a beautiful journey through this YouTube channel. I am definitely gonna be working on 100% bringing you guys better content. I'm working on my editing skills, guys. I'm not the best yet, and I probably will never be the best, but I guarantee I'm gonna get better. And I want to give you guys what you deserve. I want to give you full content, full builds on cars that we take from beginning to end and just show you exactly what we do, man. But truthfully, I'm blessed to have you as my subscriber. I want to show you guys a project we have here in a Ford truck. It'll be something unique. Stay tuned and we show you the vehicle. Cause I'm gonna show you exactly what's going on, man. We got a beautiful Ford Raptor truck here in the shop, as you can see. A little dirty because we had all the snow that just hit up in the Dallas area. But this is kind of an idea what you're seeing. You can see that the fog lights are empty completely here, and the grill is completely basic and stock. So I'm gonna be taking this truck, hold on. I'm gonna be taking this truck and I'm gonna be doing some add-ons. I'm gonna be adding these lights I'm gonna show you right now. This here is the lights we're adding for the grill. And now these lights are the one we're adding on the fog lights. And now that we get all that done, we're gonna start getting the install done. So stay tuned and Josh starts to disassemble this car to get everything situated to get this installed. Stay tuned.
Okay, so we got the Raptor here. I'm getting all the light bars laid out. I feel like I'm missing a light bar. We got these little ones. We got 3 of them that go in the fog light position right here. Got amber and the white. We go up in the grill. So get everything unboxed, labeling these. Can't tell which one's what. And get back to it. Wait. Alright, so to get to the grill, get these lights in here, you gotta take this grill off. Get everything apart, or we're gonna work on it and get to it. So right now I'm removing all the clips and trying to get to where we can get it started. All the more you gotta film. I should have when I film the clips coming out. Okay, so I'm going through and popping out the clips now, getting these things removed. This is the nerve-wracking part because I always feel like I'm gonna break something. Just gotta be careful with it. Just work it out. It's out. Push that there. Y'all can't watch this. Okay, we're pulling this back apart. Grill off. Got all the screws. Oh, it's red. You got the grill off. Got all the screws holding this inner part of the grill to the rest of it. gonna pull this off. We're gonna start putting the brackets into place to get the light bars mounted. Now we got that off. We got these nifty brackets that they want us to put in here. Mount both the bars. They're in. Okay, so we got white bar up top, amber on the bottom. Now we're putting everything back together. Okay, now that we got the lights in the grill, we're gonna move on to the next step. We got these brackets right here. They're gonna hold 3 lights each. And I gotta go right up in here. In order to do that, we gotta get up in here. Gotta remove this bolt you can barely see and loosen this one. And then it's got a mount here, and it's got another screw that comes with it to help it mount better. So you got a secure mount for 2 points, and then we'll put the lights in.
This is Jay Cruz. I'm over here checking on my guys here. I got Mr. Josh moving around like he knows what he's doing. You got everything figured out already?
No.
Absolutely not, right? You're trying to figure out what this is, what's going on? You don't have the slightest idea yet?
Nope.
Are you gonna figure it out?
Maybe.
Look at me, Josh. Maybe.
This.
I know you got this. This is what you do, man. He's over here rocking and rolling, man. We're gonna let him start figuring everything out. I'll come back to you in a few seconds when he gets the jigsaw puzzle together, and y'all see what we got going on. You are on the camera now. Tell us exactly what's going on. You get it figured out?
Yeah. I got the bracket in place here.
Okay.
Like I told them last time where I was taking bolts.
You showed them already?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's going in there. Then I got it. Then it got those lines that they go in there. I got you. All right. Well, you're gonna be getting this done, so. You know, it's not everything that even though we do this every day, there's so much technology changing in the years that cars change. So we have to figure things out as they come out. But that's why we're technicians and we do what we do. Stay tuned so we can show you the final results.
Okay, we got the brackets installed.
Close this car. I got this.
We got the lights on. Starting to get them all straightened out, squared up.
I'm giving y'all an update. Look at how this is looking right now, y'all. I don't know what y'all think, but you see we got the 3 fog lights. The wires are still here. He's in the process of doing the stuff here. But you're looking for the factory switches, huh?
Yep.
I know exactly what you're doing. Y'all, but stay tuned as y'all start getting this whole thing together, man. It's doing the best we can. You're putting the car together.
Yeah.
How's it feel? Cause show everybody right now on the camera what we have accomplished. Show me.
Got the lights all in place.
Got those here.
Lights in place over here.
Got them placed up over there nice and solid. And there's a hidden light bar down here.
And then the amber one on the bottom.
And then the amber one on the bottom. Cause y'all see there's 2 light bars. So guys, how long before we see the action on this baby?
20 minutes.
All right, guys, so stay tuned because we get this car going. Y'all can see what's going on with this Raptor. It's true, so we have finally got the Ford F-150 Raptor done. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it's looking like. Y'all can see we got the fog lights installed here. You can see the hideaway bars behind the grills. And that's all done. So now, Josh, do me a favor, turn on the fog lights. Boom, he got 3 here, 3 over here. Now turn on the grill lights. Boom, turn it, there you go. Well, now he has this in here. So now with this being done, this truck is done. Now show everybody how you got this done installed here, Josh. What do we do to get this installed here to the part? We got the factory switches.
Yep.
And they're all on there ready to go, y'all. Josh, how you feeling about this build?
I feel like I can do it twice as fast next time.
Cause you gotta get it the first time, y'all. But long story short, man, wanna always thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support of this channel, man. Y'all be good, God bless. Don't forget to share these videos, subscribe with your friends. We're trying on our road to 20K. Asking y'all for that support, man. We'll be doing a giveaway. Comment below what y'all want, cause I wanna do giveaways that you guys want, man. Up here in the building, we got Mr. Royalty. We got this guy here. Say your name for the camera, man.
Turbo Light 504.
Why are you getting bashful in front of a camera, man?
I said Turbo Light 504.
No, you put your head down first. Why?
Because you starting the shit already.
I didn't say nothing.
You already started.
Tony, what you gotta say about this dude?
Man, I gotta say,
Man, shit,
let's not
no,
go
because
too
he
far.
need his old just for men self.
just for men.
Yes, man, with all that gray on your beard, you sucker.
Oh. Who just made fun of his bird? You just did. I heard her voice. Okay, take your name for the camera.
Hi, I'm SS Cherokee.
What's your IG?
My IG is SS_Cherokee.
And you belong to Royalty. Tell everybody your Instagram and your stuff, man.
It's the same. Royalty on 24s on IG, Royalty on 24s on YouTube.
And I want you to see something. He got the zebra hat with the zebra mask going with the zebra carbon walkout too. Y'all got anything y'all want to say to YouTube?
Yeah.
You acting all bad.
IG, Connor's Corner.
Connor's Corner, look at that. You got your IG already, G?
So yeah.
G, you net?
baby model.
You don't want to say that to the camera?
I don't.
Why? Well, you gotta at least say
I
hi.
don't have no eyes.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi.
What you gonna say?
Hi.
That's all you gonna say? You got a shout out to anybody you know? No. No? You sure you don't love nobody? You don't like nobody? Bro, Tico, show us your car.
Tell them don't mind the dirt.
No, we just got out of a snowstorm, man. Ain't no dirt we looking at right now, man. In fact, you can see the road. We still got ice and snow all over the place over there, y'all. But this is Mr. Royalty, man. I don't know if you got to see him before, but he's a lot of the car meets out here in the DFW area. He's put his love, sweat, and tears into this car, and he is definitely doing his thing on his baby girl here. He's got the wheels matching the car, matching everything, y'all. So he got a complete unique thing. We did the side skirts for him today on this build right here, as you can see right there. We also did for him the front skirt. You see that right there? And he also got the little things on the side done in the back, also done in his car, man. But the car is dirty, of course, for the storm we just went through. But this is car, man. It's a beautiful car. He put a lot of love and tears into this car, and he's got it going together. Shoot him out there on the Royalty on 24s on YouTube, man. Let them know that you came from AUDIOZONE, man. But it's just support that we get out here. We're really grateful for that, for the team locally here in Dallas supporting the store, man. God has done great things, and I know you can continue doing things as we keep on serving the industry out here, man. Truthfully blessed and honored to have all these kind of guys come by our shop and give us the support, man. So stay tuned if we get the reveal for that Raptor to his client. So we finally here with the young man who owns the Raptor truck. He's seen it for the first time. He can have an idea of exactly what's going on. State your name for the camera. Tell him who you are.
What's up, man? I'm John.
John.
Yeah, John.
This is his wife?
Not
Girl?
yet.
Soon to be.
Soon to be. Y'all gonna get married?
Yeah.
How long y'all been together?
Like 8 months.
Bro, you gotta go 8 years before you get married, brother. Nah, I'm playing.
I ain't waiting 8 years.
Nah. But long story short, Josh is the one that worked in your vehicle. He got the headlights, all the lights installed. He got everything by switches. He did them in switches. We're talking about it, the different amp loads that you can use.
Yep.
He can explain it to you. When you get down, I'm gonna get a video telling about your reaction and what you feel about it. But go ahead and let Josh do his thing. We have done here, Jack. We still got one more project to finish with Jack. He wants to get some lights in the rear, but at the time was not on our side today.
Yep.
This was a bigger project than when we really thought it was gonna be, but it's done.
Yep.
And he's got it situated. Jack, what's your reaction?
I love it. It's
How
so
much do you
cool.
love it? You love it more than you love your girl? Can't say it on
close.
camera, man, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna tell you right now, I was laughing earlier today in the shop because I say I have a wife and 2 side chicks and people look at me crazy. Yeah, you see, look at her face. But my side chick is my HELLCAT and my Nova. So as long as they're made of metal, my wife's okay. Would you approve that? This is your side chick.
Yeah, I just bought a side chick 2 days ago.
What'd you buy?
KTM 450.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's your side chick.
Yeah.
As long as it's metal, it's okay though, right?
Fine.
I'm gonna tell you guys, you know, when we're young, we play with little toys, and then we get older, we buy bigger toys. But if you can have them and enjoy them, you know, enjoy your life. This truck you have, I actually love it a lot. It's a beautiful truck. It's a Raptor. They're pretty fast.
Very fast.
And on top of that, they're very I would love to go with you mudding one day, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know if I get that privilege, man. But y'all can see the results of his lights. You have anything to sell YouTube today, Jack?
Yeah, man. Hit my boy up. Come get your stuff done.
And the price was fair, everything was good.
Very good deal. Yeah, everything was great.
Man, so this is where we're gonna end this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the subscriptions. Don't forget to share with your friends, man. We're on our way right now to 20K, 20,000 subscribers in about a year. God has been great to us, man. But don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to check us out at 1230 North Beltline Road here in Irving, Texas. Y'all be good and God bless.